Instagram Reels have been around for over a year now. A year. And they are so popular, and they are just increasingly getting more popular as time goes on. So now is the best time to start making Reels if you have not started already. Don't be scared, just do it. But how do you go about making Reels that apply to your industry and stand out from the crowd and get a lot of views? Today, I'm going to share with you 10 hook ideas that will get people to stop their scroll and pay attention to your Reels. Hi, if we haven't met yet, I'm Shannon, and I help small businesses and creative entrepreneurs build their community, create an awesome impact, and grow their business by using social media. The hook is arguably the most important part of your reel or even your caption. It's your first line. It should be one of the first things that your audience sees, and it should be scroll stopping, and ideally keep their attention throughout the video. So let's get into 10 hook ideas to hook people in. See what I did there? So corny. I love a dad joke and I love puns. Number 1, the secret to, and then you want to go into telling your client what they want to know. What are they asking you on a regular basis? What do they always want to know how you do or how you accomplish what you're accomplishing? Number 2, don't start your morning without doing this. Maybe you have something really unique within your morning routine. Maybe you don't. Maybe your morning routine is very much like other people's, which makes you relatable and humanizes your brand. Either way, people are always fascinated by how you start your mornings as a business owner and also how you end your evenings as well. Number 3, 7 tools or apps or software that has helped you with your business. I just talked about the 6 apps that I use for my business in the last video. You can catch that here. But people love to know this because if anything can help them make their life easier for business, they want to be able to use that too. 3 lessons I learned from, and then you want to share your failures and how you overcame your failures to your wins. Everybody loves an underdog story. Everyone. Why do you think that Nike campaigns do phenomenally well? It's all about the underdog story or overcoming some kind of obstacle or some kind of failure. Okay, how about 6 unexpected behind the moment scenes? People love a good behind the scenes. Maybe you're unpackaging your product. Maybe you're figuring out what product that you want to put into the store. Maybe you just want to do some bloopers of things that you get caught cracking up with while you're in the office with whoever you're working with. Either way, it makes for a good reel. How to instantly feel more. And then you want to talk about how your clients can instantly feel more confidence, more productive, etc., etc. However they can feel more about whatever relates to your industry. People want to see that. They want to feel certain things. They're watching you for a reason, so they want to know how to get that mojo like you have. Watch this if you want, and then put their desired result. It's a great idea to get this from your questions or emails or testimonials. What are people usually asking or commenting on? Use that for this reel. How to, and then share a tutorial. People love tutorials. It can be a very easy 3-step tutorial, or you can blend a nice, beautifully made, quick 10-step tutorial in a 60-second long reel. However it's done, people love to learn things, especially in quick little reel format. This is a great one. 3 questions to ask. And then you could be, before you work with me, before I take on a client. What would they normally ask? What do they want to know about you before they sign you on? This is a really great thing to use to already smash objections or answer questions that people might be a little too scared to ask. There you go, guys. Now you have no excuses to start creating Reels. Also, if you haven't seen it already, I have launched my latest course, The Content Solution. It is linked below, and in the Content Solution, I teach you step by step everything you need to know about Reels. Everything. And I try to make it as easy as possible so you can get out there with the confidence that you have with your business on camera or by creating Reels at the same time. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments so I can get back to you and let you know about it. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up. If you want to spend more time with me, obviously hit the subscribe button so you can meet me every Thursday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to check out other videos for content ideas and other ways to help grow your business. I will see you next week. Step up. This is a traveling circus here.